All right, last question for this short section notes. So we've got a story problem here. Remember, when we have story problems, our answers should be in full sentences. So some flocks of Canada geese fly nonstop for up to 16 hours. In this time, a flock can migrate as far as 848 miles. At what average speed can such a flock fly during migration? All right, so we're going to use distance. Oops, sorry, that's the wrong mode. Distance equals speed. We'll do S for speed. Actually, you know what? Let's do velocity times time. Velocity and speed, closely related. Velocity has the direction, but we're just going to use that. Now, we know that they can't migrate any further than 848 miles. So again, that's the maximum number. So that's going to be greater than or equal to our speed. Well, we don't know that yet, but we know our time could be 16. So we're going to have v times 16. Now we got to solve for v here, so solve for our speed. So we're going to divide both sides by 16. And so 848 divided by 16, let me do that on my calculator a second. My brain's kind of blanking right now. So 848 divided by 16 gives us 53. So we have 53 is greater than or equal to v. Now let's actually flip that around. Sometimes it's easier for us to think about the variable on the left side. So v is less than or equal to 53. So if we switch the position of both of them, we just flip the inequality around. So 53 greater than or equal to v is the same thing as v less than or equal to 53. So for our final answer, 53 is our speed. So we're going to say the average speed is less than or equal to 53. Now we also have to think about the units that we're using here. So we're talking about speed, and the units we're given are miles and hours, and we had 848 miles. Let me write this up here. Probably should have done this a little earlier. 848 miles divided by 16 hours. So it's going to be miles per hour. You can write that as miles per hour. Miles over hours. Or you can write it as mph for miles per hour. Either way works. Or the words.